everyone, welcome to today's video. I was inspired to do a 70s chic makeup look today, inspired by the photos of my mum that I was looking through her photo album and seeing what makeup she wore in the 70s, and it was always a winged eye, and she did used to do sort of a baby wing on the bottom lash, but this is a more modern take, I think. So guys, I just wanted to do a little spin-off on that. I will probably one day do the exact eyeliner that she used to do. It seems quite daunting, whereas in this video I'm going to be using simply just powder as eyeliner. I'm going to be wetting the brush and dipping it in and making sure that it's a powder eyeliner. So we're just simply using powder as eyeliner today. But she told me that she used to use a liquid pen, or not a liquid pen, but back then they did use brushes, but there was a liquid brush, and of course you can still get that today, but I was just like, oh, I think I need to work myself up with doing a brush. I don't care so much on the upper eyelid, but on the bottom lash line I think it could become quite messy, especially, you know. And she said she used to draw her eyelashes on the bottom. I really don't know. We'll have to try it one day, I think. But it was more of an elongated sort of like Cleopatra type look, so we'll give that a go in a future video coming up. And let's get into the video. so guys, that is the basic 70s eye makeup tutorial look. Very, very easy. We only used a handful of products. I mean, you can use this all from one palette, but I was dipping into the E.L.F. Earth and Ocean palette, which is absolutely beautiful. So underrated, this product. So basically, just simple. We used this shade here, and we also went in with this shade here. So both of them was Mojave Mummy and Fuji Feels. Of course, any eyeshadow palette that you have that's similar to these shades will absolutely work just fine. And then we used the very, very old palette, which is the Natural Love palette, I believe. Let me just have a look. Is it that one? Yeah, the Natural Love palette by Too Faced. And we dipped in with Nudie and Spotlight, which was this shade here, and Spotlight, which was there. So we dipped into them for the base shades, and lovely array of shades in the Too Faced Natural Love palette. My goodness, this is so old now. I know they came out with a Natural Lust palette some time ago as well. I definitely think the star of the show is the Angled Eye Brush by Eyeshadow, which is the E835 brush. And this brush really makes it so easy to get those lines really nice and precise, and especially if you have hooded eyes like I do, it makes it so much more easier just to get that line sharp without the tagging. Of course, it also helps when you have direction of placement with your fingertips, just to know the direction of where to actually line the eyeliner. And also to ensure that there's a smooth line, we also go in with the brush wet using a fixing spray. So make sure you have a little cup like this and spray some fixing spray into it so you can dip your brush in and you can get that eyeshadow wet. And guys, for the rest of my makeup I will list in the description box below, but it was pretty much just Smashbox lip gloss. I did use face powder, I used bronzer, blush, and I'll just list everything in the description box should you want to check what's on the rest of my face. And of course we can't forget this mascara by Essence. Amazing mascara. It really is the sister of the Lash Princess, the other one that comes in the green bottle. So, but this is just more volumizing, and to be honest, I think they work quite the same. So if you have one or the other, any one of these will do. Of course, any mascara will do. Just apply lashings and lashings and lashings of mascara, and you'll be fine with achieving voluminous, fluttery, long lashes, which is also going to give you that 70s chic look. So guys, that completes the 70s chic makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you all again soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.